Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change top and bottom page margin in Google Docs. Open your Docs file and simply select File option, and here you will find this page setup option. Click here. Now here you will find this top and bottom option and select here. I will choose whole document and make it 2.0. Top and bottom margin also 2.0. Now simply select OK and see this. All of these pages top and bottom margin or change. Yeah. Also in a sense, only this page margin top and bottom. Select file option and page setup option. Top remain 2 and bottom I will make 3. Top 2.5 and OK. And see this. This page top margin and bottom margin already says. Yeah. In this way you can see all of these pages top and bottom margin. This is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.